Well, it was a nice afternoon yesterday. It was livable, which was kind of an improvement. And we have clear skies this morning. Temperatures have cooled off. So if your house did get a little warm yesterday afternoon, you can definitely cool it down this morning before we start warming back up again. But we're not going to warm up at all like we did earlier in the week. Take a look there and over the weekend. Take a look at the Tacoma Tower cam this morning. You see Mount Rainier out there in the distance, just a few high clouds kind of drifting by. Take a look at our almanac there for SeaTac. 78 degrees the high yesterday, so it dropped off 10 degrees from what we had the day before. So definitely cooling. It certainly felt more comfortable. It still felt fairly warm yesterday afternoon. Quite a bit cooler up around the Bellingham area where they hit 85 degrees on Monday. And they only hit 68 degrees for their high yesterday, so only 4 degrees above their normal high. So definite cool down up in the northwest interior. But again, things begin to warm back up again as we get into today. Take a look at that pollen count for northwest aspen allergy. Trees in the moderate range pine showing up for the first time. So for some coatings of yellow pollen coming out of the pine trees now. Grasses low and weeds for the first time jumping up into the measurement by northwest aspen allergy. So definitely all this sunshine and warm weather definitely stimulating the plants. Take a look at our temperatures from our SchoolNet sites this morning. We're running mostly in the low to mid 50s, so a pretty mild morning out there, but definitely cool enough to cool things down in your house before we start warming up today. Satellite image does show that we have that deck of marine air just off the coast, kind of making its way inland. You can see it's made it over southwestern Washington. Probably continue to advance a little bit here for a while, so we may see it make it into around Shelton and Olympia, but that should be about it. And then it's going to burn off quickly as we head towards a little later on this morning back to sunshine over southwestern Washington. And again, starting to warm up just a little bit. So take a look at our high temperatures for today. We do creep upwards a little bit. We'll look for temperatures up around Whatcom and Skagit counties. Basically, Everett north, we're getting into the low to mid 70s. And then south of Everett, look for low to mid 80s. We're going to be looking for about the same in the central sound as we head towards tomorrow, but we'll start to feel some of that marine air filter into the south sound. So we'll cool temperatures in the extreme south sound by a couple of degrees as we head into Thursday. And we might see a chance of an afternoon thunderstorm as well. Then as we head on into the weekend, on Friday, we're going to be looking for those mostly sunny day with temperatures getting into the mid to upper 70s most places. Be about the same again on Saturday, but quite a few thunderstorms possible on Saturday in the mountains. Partly sunny with an afternoon shower on Sunday. Does look like as we head towards Monday, a mostly cloudy day with showers around. Highs dropping all the way back to the mid 60s. And then as we head on towards Tuesday and midweek, we're going to be looking for some sunshine, and those temperatures starting to rebound as we head towards the Memorial Day weekend with high temperatures by Friday back into the mid 70s.
Several